Good morning. I've taken a bit of a field trip today, not recording in our garden, because I wanted to show you this little garden at this restaurant. They're growing their own food right here on the property that they serve to their customers. This is a Mittleider garden. It is Dusty D's Heat and Eat in Hamilton, Missouri. If you're coming to town to go quilting, this is one of the places in town that provides services for folks. And we're going to talk a little bit about this garden today. This is a Mittleider garden. Dusty has 4 20-foot soil beds. She's growing zucchini, yellow squash, green beans, a red and a white beet, chard, cabbage, kale, basil, and cilantro. She's growing this food and preparing it for her customers right there in the kitchen. They're doing something I think is pretty cool here. They believe very strongly in healthy food. They offer 3 different menus to include a vegan, a vegetarian, and a standard meal that also has meat in it. Everything is very healthy, and that's their thing, healthy food. I think the garden is an amazing touch. They know where the food's coming from. They're growing it themselves. I'm hoping to do an interview with Dusty at some point, kind of walk through her garden and talk about what it is that she's doing and why. If you'd like to see that, or if you have questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll try and get her to answer them for you when I get her on camera. This is the first year for a Mittleider garden here. She has had lots of food, and her customers, I understand, are pretty impressed with it. She's going to do it again next year, hopefully. This garden went in late, and the crops that are in here now were selected because they would produce quickly. If you're interested in this little garden and what she's doing, she has a presence on Facebook, Dusty D's Heat and Eat, and I believe that is the name of her website as well. Spelling as you see here. I know she's on Instagram as well. I know she'd be tickled if you'd see this. Jump on either Instagram or Facebook, like her page, and comment about it. When she does an interview for me, if you have questions for her that you'd like her to answer, you can comment on her Facebook page or her Instagram channel, or leave a comment in the description box below, and we'll try and get them answered for you. Just a quick video for today. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.